Here we are again, on my way back to Gainesville, where my 1970 446 pack Super Track Pack Challenger is located. Been working on the untubbing it, as we have seen in the prior videos. So anyways, on my way, driving through the traffic. Not too bad right now, so that's good. But got a little journey, got to take a few more parts, metal parts, but it's slowly coming together. So let's take a quick video and check that sucker out. Subscribe to my channel, and let's see how this thing's coming. Okay, so here we are. Here's the 70 Challenger 446 pack Super Track Pack Shaker. Slowly coming together. Needs a lot, but it's looking better. Whole rear was tubbed, and now it just needs to be welded in. But everything is there. It's inside. Floor pans. You can see things are getting welded in place here. Roof. It's coming along. Let's be welded in place. Of course, this is all the front. Right here, the firewall, that's all still from the same car, hasn't been really replaced. We've got some fenders. Here's the original doors. Rear quarters had been replaced. Of course, you can see screws holding everything in place as things are about to get welded in place. Trunk, see the gas tank hanger brackets are in place. Get a view here of the wheel wells. It's coming along. Should be together soon. Looking forward to it.